Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, LearnNicheSkills. Today we're going to be talking about cloud terminologies. Cloud computing is a rapidly growing field, and it's important to understand the different terminologies involved. In this video, I'll be covering the basics of cloud computing, including the different types of cloud services, the main differences between them, and some examples of companies that provide these services. I'll also be discussing the different types of clouds that enterprises are using, such as public, private, and hybrid clouds. I'll explain the benefits of each type of cloud and provide some examples of how they are being used in the real world. Finally, I'll talk about some of the different vendors that are providing cloud services. I'll discuss their offerings and how you can choose the right vendor for your needs. So, let's get started. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a model for delivering computing services over the internet. These services are delivered on demand, so you only pay for what you use. Cloud computing can be used to deliver a variety of services, including infrastructure, platform, and software. Types of cloud services. There are three main types of cloud services: infrastructure as a service, also known as IaaS, platform as a service or PaaS, and software as a service, often referred to as SaaS. Infrastructure as a service, or IaaS. IaaS is a cloud computing model where you rent the underlying infrastructure such as servers, storage, and networking. You are responsible for managing the operating system, software, and applications. Platform as a service, or PaaS, is a cloud computing model where you rent a platform that includes the operating system, middleware, and development tools. You are responsible for managing your applications. Software as a service, or SaaS, is a cloud computing model where you rent software applications that are hosted on the cloud. You do not need to manage the software or the underlying infrastructure. The main differences between IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS are level of control. IaaS gives you the most control over your infrastructure, while SaaS gives you the least. Cost. IaaS is typically the most expensive option, while SaaS is typically the least expensive. Complexity. IaaS is typically the most complex option, while SaaS is typically the least complex. Examples of companies providing cloud services. Here are some examples of companies that provide cloud services: Amazon Web Services, or AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, also known as GCP, IBM Cloud, and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI. Types of clouds enterprises are using. There are three main types of clouds that enterprises are using: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Public cloud. A public cloud is a cloud computing environment that is shared by multiple tenants. Public clouds are typically the most affordable option, but they may not be the best choice for organizations that require high levels of security and compliance. A private cloud is a cloud computing environment that is dedicated to a single organization. Private clouds are typically more expensive than public clouds, but they offer higher levels of security and compliance. A hybrid cloud is a cloud computing environment that combines elements of both public and private clouds. Hybrid clouds can be used to provide organizations with the benefits of both types of clouds. Benefits of using a cloud. There are many benefits to using a cloud, including cost savings. Cloud computing can be more cost-effective than traditional IT infrastructure. Scalability. Cloud computing can be easily scaled up or down to meet your changing needs. Availability. Cloud computing is highly available, which means that your applications and data are always accessible. Security. Cloud providers typically have strong security measures in place to protect your data. Challenges of using a cloud. There are also some challenges to using a cloud, including vendor lock-in. You may become dependent on a particular cloud provider, which can make it difficult to switch to another provider in the future. Security concerns. While cloud providers typically have strong security measures in place, there is still a risk of data breaches. Network latency. If your data is stored in a remote cloud data center, you may experience network latency. Conclusion. Cloud computing is a powerful tool that can be used to transform your business. By understanding the different types of cloud services and the benefits and challenges of using a cloud, you can make the right decisions for your organization. Additional resources: cloud computing, types of cloud computing, benefits of cloud computing, challenges of cloud computing. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. https://master-engineer.com/2020/111/03/google-cloud-platform-tutorial/https://www.itcherportal.com/articles/question mark tag =sign cloud plus computing &page =20